So here we go, moment of truth. So we'll give you a look at, hang on. This is the tools required. So you need a 15mm socket, 16mm socket, flat blade screwdriver, rubber mallet, and a little bit of workshop degreaser. Now all that does is makes the rubbers real slippery to get the muffler on and off. So let's have a listen, see what we've done. Now it sounds like a V8. Unfortunately I can't get to the back while I give her a rev, but certainly sounds a lot better, doesn't it? Get rid of the massive great big hot water cylinder from underneath it.